Hello, and congratulations on your shade purchase through Hive. What I'll be explaining today in this video are the 3 phases of the install job. The first phase will be the installation of your shades. This will actually be the physical installation and where the location where you picked with your sales rep and or the project manager. The second phase is the programming phase. From here, this is where we'll make the connection from your shades to the hub. This is where we're going to need your help. Go ahead and download the Somfy app and create a login. We're going to use this information to finish the completion of the programming phase. Next is the education phase. During the education phase, we will teach you how to operate your shades through the Somfy app and or Control 4 home automation system. Attached to this email is a client readiness checklist. Please review this before we come in for the install. And we want to thank you for choosing Hive. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to your project manager. Thank you.